What do you have here? Priest, Hunter, or Druid? Man, I really like Priest. Okay, so here's the main thing I want to think about. Is Priest Rogue good? I haven't played Priest Rogue before. Priest and Rogue. Priest and Rogue seems pretty good. I think Druid is the safest, but I think Priest Rogue is better than Druid and Rogue. Is that crazy? I did, it sucks. Well, you're just a random person. It might not be like, you have to do it over like a lot of runs. Is it bad? I think Priest Rogue is really good. Especially with the Rogue hero power. The last time we played Priest was this. Let me show you guys. The Priest list was this. It was Priest Druid, and Priest Druid is really good. Like, insane. I'm good in Priest anyways. Priest Warlock, Priest Warrior, Priest Hunter. So Priest Warlock, right? Priest Warrior? Priest Warlock. Oh, I like the sound. It sounds nice. Alright, let's do Priest Warlock. That's a very good start. Crystal Weaver, sure. Cabal. Oh no, Dark Shot Alchemist is OP. Dude, life tap. This is like draw 2.5 cards. How good is Corpse Taker? Corpse Taker is pretty good because we have a lot of class cards that have life steal, right? There's Acolyte of Agony in Priest and also Obsidian Statue. So I don't really mind taking Corpse Taker here. It's actually not bad. Pit Lord. Yeah, you know what? I think Corpse Taker is actually fine. Oh, we're going dragons now too? This is a really good card, but it's 5/6. I can't say no to 5/6. I hate no Holy Nova. I think Holy Nova is trash. I guess Holy Nova. Drain Soul. These all suck. Lukla, the Beast, Auction Master Beardo. There is more synergy with this card, for sure. But 3 mana 3/4 is really hard to pass. Alright, I'm gonna take the 3 mana 3/4. Onyx Bishop OP. These all suck. Just AoE, I guess. Damn, these are actually really bad. Tar Lurker is really good. I need some win conditions. Right now, these are all really shitty. Pantry Spider is really bad. Just take another Valkyrie. Oh my god. I think I need a few more 5-drops, guys. I don't think I have enough. Hellfire is really good. 2-drop is really good. Damn, I think it's Hellfire. Hellfire is too good. Pinch Me again. Oh my god, too many 5-drops. That easy. Pain, Cabal. Pain is too good. Oh my god, easy. Okay, this deck is looking a little bit better. Corrupting Mist is actually interesting in this deck, huh? Take it. We need a win condition, so I can't have. I can't do Doom. Doom is good, but I think I need one of these things. Forbidden Shaping or Chompy. Chompy is really good. Combined with Onyx Bishop is also really good. Yeah, I think I need the double sword here. Shadow Flame is good. One-sided board wipes. That's a lifesteal minion. Councilman. It's easy too. Shadow Bolt. I think I need the Shadow Bolt. I have too many minions right now. 2. Crystal Weaver? No. Thank you! Thank you! I need one more win condition. And then I think the deck is actually fine. It's obviously not an insane deck, but I think it's fine. It's playable. I mean, that's actually really good in Priest. Most Priest cards actually have positive effects. And I can't kill myself. And I have no 10 drops, so it's pretty obvious. Alright, this deck is fine. We have actually good win conditions. Final boss, baby! Let's go! Whoa! It's so easy! Alright, let's stand up a bit first. Alright. We have to stand up a bit, so we gotta work our legs out, you know? Okay.
Undo it.
The big fish.
Watch your back.
The light shall bring victory.
Wow, Tar Lurker is really good. Do we keep Tar Lurker? We could also keep Corpse Taker. I mean, okay, so oh my god, final boss. It's a little bit more. So it's either this or this. Actually, I don't want to keep Tar Lurker. I lied. I don't like it. I don't like this either. Then what am I doing with this? Then is it keeping Hellfire better? Yeah, maybe it's keep Hellfire. Damn, that turned like 360.
Happy Hallows End.
Happy Hallows End.
Good card. 2-2. Hallucination. Amaz, I think you own Don't Starve Together. Do you like that kind of game? I didn't play that. I just played Don't Starve. It's okay. I don't think it has a lot of longevity. Like, you know, on extra playthroughs, it's not as exciting. That's my only problem with it. I think it's pretty fun on the first few playthroughs. Ooh. There's a Dreadlord again. Tapping is okay. So I'm gonna kill this instead because I have a I have Bishop. It's better to get a 2-3 back. So, yeah. So now we can coin a 5-drop again. Nothing? Wow. Spoiling me. The ass blade. That's fine. That is okay. Well, this is looking pretty good. This is looking pretty good. The D. The poison. Alright, this guy can pack up a little fight here. Wow, healing and weapons are actually a pretty good combo. Unfortunately, we drew in that card. Well, fortunately for us, of course. That's good.
Fresh from Kazakis.
VS Justice, thanks to the Prime sub. Appreciate it. And we also have Chris P, thanks for the 5. It is not you who is good, it is rank 25 chat. I see. Interesting.
I sense your struggle.
Wait, why am I not tapping? I was like, every time I see a rogue, it's like, oh, I don't want to tab. Okay, this is ugly. Amaz isn't lucky, he just believes in the heart of the cards. Heart of the cards, yes. I guess so. Shadow Bolt, okay, he has to kill this, I guess. So the question here is either Shelly. Shelly is pretty good here, right? How do I kill this? I could play this. What do I do here? I could also play a Dread Inferno. Dread Inferno is actually not bad. Okay, we're gonna go with Corrupting Mist and Dread Inferno here. I think that's the best because it guarantees that this dies. There is a very easy chance that this does not die, right? This can actually just randomly die. So I think this is better. That was a hard turn.
Balance in all.
Okay, that's fine. He needs help. Shit, we don't have lethal. I thought I had lethal. I got too trigger happy. But, I mean, it's still really close, so... yeah. Damn, I thought that both of these deal 3 damage for a second. Alright, it's fine. 12-1 deck. I wouldn't have expected this deck to go 12-1. Yeah, whatever. I don't think... Even taunt is fine. Yeah. Okay. Alright, well, that's a card. Wait, actually, no, Potion of Madness. Oh, and he takes 1 damage. Alright, GG. Boom! 12 wins. Feels good.
Well played.
Let's go. 12-1 as well, man. Let's go. We're doing really good. So far, dual class arena, we got 12-7, 12-12-12. Easy. Easy. Bring out the chat again. Shout out to you guys for making this possible. Of course, you guys. You know I couldn't have done it without you, right? Yeah, this deck I wouldn't have actually expected 12 wins. 2 Dreadlords have been carrying so much. MVP is still Potion of Madness. Right? This card just like got us there a lot of times. Okay. Wow, some shitty rewards here.